My good name is Anne Lele and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am so happy to show you how to do carrot cake. It's very nice. You can wonder how this beautiful cake came to be. I'll show you how I made it, and it's very simple. But before we continue, please hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you are notified every time I upload a new video. Welcome. And the ingredients are our corn oil, 1 cup, 5 eggs, our flour. I've already mixed the baking powder inside and the baking soda. The flour is 225 grams. Baking soda, I kept 3 quarters of a teaspoon. Same to the baking powder, 3/4 of a teaspoon. We have our grated carrots, 336 grams, our sugar 225 grams, and 1 tablespoon of cinnamon powder. Now we'll start by putting our 1 cup of our corn oil inside, plus our sugar. We'll whisk it. Then we'll put a tablespoon of vanilla essence. We'll take our cinnamon powder and mix it with our flour. Then we'll take our grated carrots and mix with our flour. We lower the speed. Then we put our eggs one by one. Always make sure your hands are clean. Mine are clean. Our mix is ready. I mix it manually before I put it in my tin. Our mix is ready to be baked in the oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 30 to 45 minutes. Viewers, you can see our end product. This is our carrot cake. It's very nice. It baked up so well, and also let us cut so that you see how it baked from inside. It baked so well. You can see how it is. It's very nice. And also remember to like, share, comment to my YouTube channel, and also remember to click the notification bell right next to it so that you are notified every time I upload a new video. And until next time, bye.